Hello everybody, this is Deanna from the Child at Heart blog, and today I'm going to show you guys how to create a symmetrical image on the Procreate app. I'm using the Apple Pencil and this is the iPad Pro. And so what you're going to do is open up your image, and the first thing I'm going to do is draw like a circle or something, and the way that you do that on here is you draw a circle, hold it down, and kind of spread it out however big you want it to be, and then come up here and click circle, and it makes this perfect circle for you. So I'm going to do that first, and I'm going to make the opacity come up here and make the opacity come down a little bit. This is kind of just my stencil for where I'm going to draw. So I'm going to do another layer, and now we're going to do some symmetrical images. So what you do is come up here to this little wrench, and you're going to click on canvas, and then where it says drawing guide right here, you're going to click that, okay? And that adds these little like lines to help you get it straight and stuff, but then you click edit drawing guide. Let me show you that one more time. Come up here, click edit drawing guide, and down here you're going to click on the assisted drawing. And then you're going to click right here where it says Symmetry. Click on that. And then you can choose for it to be like horizontal, vertical, a quadrant where like whatever I write in this quadrant is going to show up in all four of these, or radial, which is even smaller, okay? So what I usually use is either the vertical or the quadrant. I'm going to show you what they both look like. Let's do the quadrant first, okay? So you're going to say done, and then you're just going to start drawing, and you're going to watch and see what happens. See how my little image repeated itself 4 different times. So this is really good. A lot of times I'll use this, and it really saves time instead of having to draw this all at the same time. And I don't really have any like plan right now. I'm just kind of trying to show you what it looks like. Now, if you get the eraser, if you erase, like say let's erase up here, it's going to erase everything, not just that quadrant, okay? So there's that. Now I'm gonna show you, we're gonna go back, I'm gonna undo that. And now we're gonna click on the wrench again, go to edit drawing guide, and I'm going to show you what the vertical looks like. So this is a little different. This is only going to do a mirror image. So like I'll show you in a minute. I drew a picture of a skull, a sugar skull for Day of the Dead, and I used this type of symmetry. So here you're going to see it's, here you're going to see that it's only repeating itself the 2 times. So that's the vertical symmetry. Now I'll show you the horizontal, which is exactly the same. So that's horizontal. And then the radial is something I don't use that much. I feel like there can be some really cool things with it. I can't see, hold on. I feel like could be some really neat things you could do with this. I just haven't used it much. It's a lot smaller quadrants basically. So here, see, that's really fun. So let's say that you want to erase, because see up here you can see that it says layer 2 assisted, so that means that it's going to be doing that symmetry no matter what you do. So if you don't want it to be assisted, like if you maybe wanted to, like let me show you, if you maybe wanted to only, ooh, this is starting to look like a snowflake. If you wanted to erase, like say this one but not this one, then what you would have to do is come back up here and turn this assisted drawing off and click done, and then see now it says layer 2 and there's nothing there. So then I could come in and, you know, maybe erase just this and leave everything there, or, you know, make changes without it. Like if I added this here, see how it doesn't add it everywhere else. So that is basically how you do that, and I'm going to give you guys some examples of some drawings that I've done using this Symmetry, and if you guys have any questions, just put it in the comments below.